overrated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated. 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Oh.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So today, honey, we're going to be talking all things Shein, girl, okay? This dress is from Shein, these nails are from Shein, and this hair, girl, this hair is from Shein. And today we're going to be focusing on the hair, okay, girl? But, oh, and not only the hair, we're going to focus on the hair and we're going to focus on some goodies that they sent me as well. So, let's start with the hair. So this unit, as I stated, is from Shein. It is their transparent lace kinky curly 4x4 lace closure wig. It's 180% density. It is available in 12 to 26 inches in a natural black. And I want to go ahead and say, in my opinion, their natural black gives jet black. I don't know about y'all. Y'all can let me know if that's what it's given to y'all. But to me, it's giving jet black, okay, girl? But it says natural black, so we're gonna say what they said because they said it, girl, okay? And it's pre-plucked, natural hairline, lace human hair wig, top quality wig for women. So, as I stated, it is available in 180% density in a 4x4 closure. This particular wig is only available in the 4x4 closure and 180% density. It's available in 12 to 26 inches, all being even numbers, as I stated, and I am rocking 26 inches. I don't know why I put my phone down because I need to see if there's any more details. Yeah. So, in the description box, it says the color is black. They don't say natural black there, it says black. The color is black. It's a full wig. It's curly, long hair, Brazilian hair, 4x4, 180, and you know, just the details that I already gave y'all. Now, with this wig, it is kinky curly. So, in my opinion, it does tangle some. It's not excessive, but it does tangle some, and I want to throw that out there. And as far as shedding, it did shed a little bit. Like, not excessive, but when I brushed it out, it did shed. So I want to throw that out there so you can't say I didn't tell you, girl, because I told you, girl, okay? I told you, girl. As far as the hairline, in my opinion, the hairline does need to be tweezed more. It does say pre-plucked, but I feel like it could be plucked a little more. I did bleach this wig, and I probably could have got away with not bleaching it because I definitely over bleached it. So if you guys see it looking a little crazy or over bleached, that's not Shein's bad. That is Chrissy's bad, okay? Chrissy definitely over bleached this wig. But I think I could have actually maybe gotten away with not bleaching it and just using my Ruby Kisses. And I wish I had her. Because like I said, I did over bleach it. But you know, nothing that little dye won't fix. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. But I feel like you can make it work across the board because of that detachable elastic band. But I only have to hit this on my shoulder, and that's an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, girl, do with that what you want to do with that. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Girl, I forgot about these products. Let's go ahead and talk about these goodies that Shein sent. So it came in this cute little box, which I love. Y'all know I love a good box. So, what are these in here? Girl, I don't know. I think they were. So they have mousse tint, which I should have just used the lace mousse tint that they sent, girl. mousse tint. They sent the comb. They have wax sticks, and I'm guessing these are available for purchasing at Shein. Hopefully they'll give me like information down below in the description box, because they do have their own wax stick, which was a good wax stick. They have bold hold. I don't really wear glue, okay, but they also have glue remover. So I was like, maybe I will give it a shot, and when I do, I'll let you guys know what I think of it. But yeah, they got that as well. And they sent some lashes, and these are cute. I wish I had known those lashes was in the box, so I would threw the lashes on. Then I would have really been all things Shein. So yeah, those are all the goodies. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this wig. Alright, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is gonna be that I feel like the hairline could have been tweezed more. That's the only con I could think of, so that's gonna be the con, girl. Okay, that's gonna be the con. The pros is, you know, I live for a good kinky curly, especially a kinky curly that is manageable. This one to me is very, very a manageable kinky curly. If you know, you know. Sometimes them kinky curls can be a little too much, too hard to handle, honey. Okay, too hot to handle. Too hard, too hot, whatever. Child, okay, so I love that this is a manageable kinky curly. I love that as a closure, because you guys know your girl lives for a closure, okay? She loves the closure. And I love that it's affordable. Girl, is she in? Okay, so those are all my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this wig, especially if you're looking for a cute human hair wig on a budget. I would definitely recommend you checking out this unit, because honey, she's giving and she's affordable. Okay, so yes, I would recommend it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 plus a lint check. Plus a lint check, so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty.